Today we are unboxing the Wonderchef Prato Digital 3.8 liters air fryer. It has 4.2 rating out of 5 and the price is 5,999. Let's start the video and see what inside the box. There are some basic instructions, branding, features, price and QR code to register your device. So inside the box you will get warranty card, user manual and some dishes name with temperature and time for reference. Then the main unit with power code. Fry, grill, bake and roast. Enjoy guilt-free indulgences with Prato air fryer. Munch on those French fries or desi pakodas and samosas, even bake small goodies like cupcakes or grilled tikkas. Sleek and compact, inspired by Italian designs, as the name says it, it is a perfect fit for your kitchen with its unique and sleek design that saves space in your kitchen. Fry with almost zero oil French fries, potato chips, spring rolls, fried veggies, sausage rolls, nuggets, and more. Innovative rapid air heat circulation technology fries a wide variety of food with almost no oil. The compact air fryer has a digital touchscreen for time and temperature control functions and also an auto shut-off feature that lets you know when your food is ready. It has a 3.8 liters non-stick food basket which allows hot air to pass through evenly so that the food is cooked perfectly. The appliance is designed for easy handling and cleaning. The large basket fits well into a modern kitchen and is removable. Thank you for watching the video. Buy link in comment box. Subscribe channel for more unboxing videos.